Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another video. Today we are using our Silhouette Cameo machine to make this really cute 3D hinged box. You can fit all kinds of things in there, probably a few crayons, some gift cards, note cards, all kinds of fun ideas. Alright, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright guys, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into the Silhouette Studio software. Now to get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and choose where it says Library. This brings up all of my design files. The left hand side, I created all these folders. I'm going to go to the one I labeled videos to find the project we're making, which is this one right here. If I click on that little square, it brings up a preview window. This is called a 3D hinged favor box with mats. It is by Jamie Cripps and the design ID number is 58047. I'm going to close that out. Then just double click on this image to bring that into our design area. I believe it does come in. Yes, it does come in grouped together. So I'm going to right click on that and choose ungroup. Alright, so we have this part here is for the box. This piece here, I'm going to actually highlight all these pieces. Right click on those and choose group. So they're all grouped together. This is our pattern paper. So I have cardstock on the left hand side of my mat and pattern paper on the right. I'm going to go to the very top, choose send to the Cameo, cut everything out, go to the table, and put the box together. Alright, we are back. Everything went ahead and cut out. I'm first going to score on all these score marks. Okay, and then these ones here, and this one here. Alright, so if you have your box like this, you're going to flip it over. This is the front flap of the box. So we're going to take these pieces and find the one that goes there, because you will see they're all squares, but one of them has a little divot in it to match this corner piece. So I'm just going to make sure I have the right one here. Yeah, see, this one's all squared. This one has a little bit of slice. That's going to go right here, okay? Actually, I think I went it this way. Make sure that's the right piece. I'm just double checking because I'm using double-sided or directional paper. I want to make sure I have the right piece there. And it's going in the right way. So it goes like that. Okay, I'm just going to put our glue on it. Oops, take the pin out, Stace. I'm using art glitter glue. Okay, so normally it would go the other way, but I'm putting it on this way because of the direction of the paper. Otherwise my horse would be upside down. All right, now we're going to flip it around. So if you just look at the box, how it's assembled, this is the back. So you want to have, again, if you're using directional paper, you want to pay attention to that. Oops. You can also just measure these, like cut the box out and then just measure the squares and cut your own paper. That way, you can make sure it's all going the right way. All right, then we have. So again, I'm just going to fold the box up. This is the front. So I have this one go here. I did not use the side pieces. I didn't really think you needed them. Plus, with me using directional paper, they weren't really lining up all that well. Alright, but I do want to do the very top. And you'll see there's one of these pieces that have a score mark in it. I'm just going to go ahead and fold in that score mark a few times. And then just separate it. And then just use this one, because again, where it was folded, it would make my paper be upside down. So I'm going to take this one, put it right here, and then this one I'll put going that way, so it matches the back. Alright, so all the paper's on. Again, I did not do the size because as you can see, they would, well that one, yeah, see it wouldn't match. My horse would be upside down. Alright, so we're going to take these little flaps right here. We're going to put glue on them, and then they're going to get attached to this piece here, just like that. I'm just going to put glue on this flap. Then bring it in to this flap. This would be cute for a crown box. I showed my husband, he's like, oh, it's a cigarette box. I was like, no, it's a hinged box, but you know, whatever you want to put in it is fine. Alright, just going to do the same thing for this little flap over here. And then bring that one, oops, bring that one in. I will say the top of the box kind of confused me a little bit on how it goes together, because this is going to get glued to the outside like that. Okay, that's what keeps the box together, but we have all these little pieces here. So we're going to take these pieces here, the square flaps, put glue on those first, and then fold them in. You'll see where they go. Okay, and grab the other one over here on this side. Bring that one over. And just press on it for a few minutes, just to make sure that glue grabs. Alright, so now on this one, on my box, I put these pieces on the inside, so if I fold them in, you can see they don't quite fit. So I think I'm going to try it on this side, on the outside this time. I think that's probably how they're supposed to go. So I'm going to put glue on this piece here. Then fold this one over. And then just press on it. Yeah, I do think that looks a lot better than mine did. Alright, so again, we're going to put glue on that piece, then fold the flap over. Go, just like that. Again, just give that glue a second to do its thing. Alright, now I'm going to put glue on the sides of the box and then bring the sides up. You want to try to have your glue go edge to edge in a thin layer. Okay, so you bring this up and then just fold it over and match it up where it goes. I'm going to lay that one down while I get this one lined up. Make sure it lines up on the back side of the box. It's nice and even there. And I think it is. Alright, so there is our box. We can go and open it. There is a slice right here. I'm guessing this little end is supposed to go inside there. But you can easily just tuck it inside the box as well. Like that to kind of keep it closed. You can wrap it with ribbon. But I do think it's a fun box. It's a good size box. You can fit, like I said, it'll be really cute with crowns in there, gift cards in there, notes in there. Of course, you know, the treats and trinkets can go in there as well. You can add a stamped image for the front. I just kept the box pretty simple. But there you have it. There's that box there, and we have this box here. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.